Good morning, all my dear students. College KS College Department Mathematics Semester 3rd. Dr. Arjun Kumar. Paper CC Math 306. Topic GCD. Greatest Common Division. Let A and B be any two given integers in which at least one is non-zero. Then the greatest common divisor of A and B denoted by GCD of A, B or A, B is the positive integer D such that number 1 D divides A and D divide B. Second, if C divide A and C divide B, then C less than equal to D. Example, GCD of 10 and 15 equal to 5 and GCD of A, B equal to A if A divide B. Euclid's algorithm, the GCD of two integers A and B can be determined by a process known as Euclid's algorithm, which is as follows. Let A and B both are positive and A greater than B, then there exist integers q1 and r1 such that A equal to b q1 plus r1, 0 less than equal to r1 less than b by division algorithm. Again, there exist integers q2 and r2 such that b equal to r1 q2 plus r2, 0 less than equal to r2 less than r1. Equation 2. Continuing this process, we get r1 equal to r2 into q3 plus r3, 0 less than equal to r3 less than r2. r2 equal to r3 q4 plus r4, 0 less than equal to r4 less than r3 ... rn minus 2 equal to rn minus 1 into qn plus rn, rn equal to 0 where qn greater than equal to 2. Here we have A greater than B greater than r1 greater than r2 greater than r3 greater than r4 ... Thus these numbers form a decreasing sequence of non-negative integers. It follows that rn equal to 0 for some integers n. The process ends at this stage. The set of equation 1 to 4 is called Euclid's algorithm for GCD of A and B. The GCD of A and B will be Rn minus 1. Example 1. Find the GCD of 117 and 45. Solution. Given that A equal to 117 and B equal to 45, by Euclid's algorithm A equal to bq1 plus r1. Therefore 117 equal to 45 into 2 plus 27. 45 equal to 27 into 1 plus 18. 27 equal to 18 into 1 plus 9. 18 equal to 9 into 2 plus 0. Here r4 equal to 0, that implies GCD of 117 into 45 equal to r3, that is equal to 9. Therefore GCD of 117 and 45 equal to 9. Example 2. Find GCD of 256 and 1166. Solution. Given that A equal to 1166 and B equal to 256, by Euclid algorithm, A equal to BQ1 plus R1. Therefore 1166 equal to 256 into 4 plus 142. 256 equal to 142 into 1 plus 114. 142 equal to 114 into 1 plus 28. 114 equal to 28 into 4 plus 2. 28 equal to 2 into 14 equal to plus 0. Hence R5 equal to 0. That implies GCD of 1166 256 equal to R4, that is equal to 2. Hence GCD of 1166 256 equal to 2. Thank you.